In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello board ID in 2025 with this full tutorial. If you've ever needed your board ID for integrations or some backend magic, worry not. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it. First, we'll head over to Trello.com. Make sure you're using your preferred browser and have internet access. Simply type Trello.com in the browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you straight to the home page of Trello. Now, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. For those of you not yet signed in, clicking this button will prompt you to enter your details. You can log in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can use a Google account. Whichever method you choose, simply follow the prompts and you'll be in Trello in no time. Excellent. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your board section. Towards the top of the page, you'll see a tab that says Boards. Click on this to open up a list of all the Trello boards that you have access to. Once the boards page is open, navigate to the Your Workspaces section. This area lists all the boards available to you within your selected workspace. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be quite easy to find. Next, you'll need to select the specific board whose ID you want to retrieve. Simply click on the board name and it will open up in a new window or tab, showing you all the cards, lists, and tasks currently on that board. Here's where the magic happens. Once you have your desired board open, you'll want to look at the URL in your browser's address bar. Click into it, and at the very end you're going to add JSON. So for example, if your current URL ends with myteamboard, you'll want to change it to by myteamboard.json. After adding .json to the URL, press enter. This step will redirect you to a page filled with raw data about your board. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but fear not. What you're specifically looking for is right at the beginning. On the first line, you will see a field labeled ID, followed by a series of numbers and letters. This string of characters is the unique identifier for your Trello board. All you need to do is copy this ID. You can do this by highlighting the sequence with your cursor, right-clicking and selecting copy. And there you have it, you've successfully found and copied your Trello board ID. With these steps completed, you can now use your Trello board ID for whatever purpose you needed it for, be it for API integrations or otherwise. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial made the task a little easier for you.